Manipur Students Federation (MSF) Bishnupur District Committee has demanded immediate integration of drug education into the state's school curriculum. This demand comes amidst grave concerns over the rising tide of substance abuse threatening the youth. MSF Bishnupur District Committee President Moirangtim Shamsundar emphasized that development of a society relies entirely on healthy, progressive and patriotic youth. The student body lamented that Manipur is currently grappling with an unprecedented crisis due to intoxicating substances. To combat this menace, MSF is urging formal introduction of a dedicated drug prevention syllabus for classes 5 through 12. He stated that the syllabus should be applied to all government and private schools affiliated with BOSAM and COSAM. He added that the initiative aims to build upon MSF's ongoing Ekhoi Mayai Kaba Drug Thaduk Lashi awareness campaign, which began in 2020. Taking the initiative forward, the MSF Bishnupur District Committee has submitted a memorandum to the local zonal education officer (ZEO), urging immediate administration effect to pressure the Directorate of Education Schools into expediting this curriculum reform. MSF Bishnupur District Committee President has warned that if the Education Department turns a blind eye or remains silent on the matter, MSF will be compelled to launch intense, widespread student agitations across all educational institutions throughout Bishnupur district.
Bosem amadi kosem gi makhada leiba lanai amadi lengaki mahi tampham sangsinga class 5 tagina class 12 fawa drug education amadi drug use prevention campaign ga mari leinana curriculum amadi syllabus puthokuna leirik oina phangalaba matungda athuba matamda mahirosingda tamba phanganbiu loina masigi aiba cherol amasu Bishnupur district ki JDO da koina pisinja traina sina JDO madam asu isagi tawdroba yadabai thogdangni khanbiraga lebaki ni tunggi ni khanbiraga education as the action binaba MSF ki na kai ge din nolonga su thamjari